Are you looking for the best Dremel tools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best Dremel tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Dremel Cordless Rotary Tool. The first Dremel tool on this roundup is also my favorite and arguably the best of all the Dremel tools on the market right now. Dremel is an excellent brand that produces some of the best rotary tools you can buy. The brand is loved by hobbyists and professionals alike. The 8220 is a highly rated model for several reasons. First of all, it comes with a powerful motor that delivers all the power you need to do your job or project effectively. It has a very high speed that ranges from between 5,000 to 33,000 revolutions per minute. It also comes with a torque spindle. All these capabilities are powered by a lithium-ion battery. While some might not particularly be enamored with rechargeable batteries, I love that found on this model because it can be fully charged in just 1 hour. As it is a cordless Dremel tool, it isn't hindered by cables that affect mobility. Without any cords, you can carry it around wherever you go, and it can reach hard-to-reach spots. You'll also jettison the need to find an electrical socket just to get down to work. Additionally, the pack comes with several bits and tools that you will find handy as you carry out your project. The cordless nature is an advantage. However, it is also a downside. Why? Well, since you have to recharge the battery, you have a limited amount of time to work. Up next in the 4th place is the Dremel 4000-6 divided by 50 120-volt rotary tool. The next Dremel tool is a high-performing tool that comes with plenty of interesting features, including a large plethora of accessories. Due to its 50 accessories and parts, you will have just what you need for every project that you have. Whether it is sanding or cleaning or even carving, rest assured that you will have just what you need, aside from the vast number of accessories that you have available. This Dremel tool also comes with a reliable, powerful motor that makes your work easier. It has a 1.6 motor that delivers speeds of between 5,000 and 35,000 revolutions per minute. It comes with a technology that helps you to adjust your speed as you work. Hence, you will enjoy far more control and accuracy than with your average rotary tool. The 4000 is very easy to use as the accessories can be changed in a jiffy. Simply engage the nose cap wrench, and you can change the accessories to whatever you want. Another reason why I enjoy using this tool is design. It is slim and ergonomic, which means you can hold it with ease over long periods. There are downsides though, with the main one being some switch faults. Other than that problem, this Dremel tool is an excellent power tool with plenty of accessories, impressive performance, and excellent value for money. The 3rd product on our list is the Dremel VC6-1 Ultimate Remodeling Toolkit. If you have home projects to do, you will have a great time using this Dremel tool as it is targeted at folks who love to have a DIY experience. It has a 7 motor, which is one of the most powerful motors on this list. Thus, if you have medium-duty projects that require a bit more force and power to accomplish, the powerful motor found in this model surely comes in very handy. With its large number of settings, this tool offers every user plenty of options that will increase accuracy and control on a project. The disadvantage of this tool is that it has a steep learning curve. It features a 5-degree oscillation angle, which is quite impressive. With its quick release feature as well, you will be hard-pressed to find a more powerful and versatile Dremel tool on the market today. Second on our list is the Dremel MM30-4 Multi-Max Oscillating Tool. With its 3A motor, this Dremel tool is one of the powerful Dremel tools you can find on the market right now. It is highly effective and really good at what it does. I love it for the plethora of interesting features that it comes with. For example, it has a 3.2-degree oscillating angle, which is one of the widest of all the Dremel tools on the market. Additionally, there is a wrench system that ensures the Dremel tool's accessories can be changed very quickly. Hence, it removes the problem of time wasting. To further appeal to buyers, Dremel has made this tool with variable speed functions. Thus, you have more control over whatever aspect of the project you are using it for. The buttons and switches are separate, which helps you do your work without making the mistake of hitting the wrong buttons. One disadvantage of this tool is that its carrying case feels flimsy and cheap. Aside from being a powerful Dremel tool, the ergonomic handle and overall design make this tool one of the best and user-friendly Dremel tools you can get today. Finally, the top product on our list is the Dremel MultiPro Cordless Rotary Toolkit. This next model from Dremel is a bestseller and is one of the most popular options from the manufacturer. With more than 2,000 reviews and a high rating, it is quite clear that this particular option is no pushover. From my testing, I observed that it delivers impressive performance across the board and will be used for a long time before any issues arise. It comes with several lovely features that underline its power, durability, and versatility. For example, it comes with a pair of variable speeds, low and high, which offer you more precision and control over whatever you are doing. From drilling to sanding, to cleaning and trimming, you will find the 77O to be an excellent tool for you. It is also fairly powerful as it has a 7.2V motor. However, it should be noted that it isn't for heavy-duty applications. It is lightweight and compact, small enough to be carried around with ease, and generally just a very convenient tool to use. As it is a cordless tool, it doesn't have the power that you will find with corded tools, which is the only downside. It comes with a decent number of accessories, which improves the range of things you can use it for as well. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.